Please. The most standard way, the one that you're going to use most of the time is s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. A lot of letters we don't pronounce here. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. And actually, s'il, it's very difficult to pronounce, so most of the people will pronounce it as a si. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. When they say it fast. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Or, in the to form, s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît. In vouvoiement. S'il te plaît, in tutoiement. And when you write in text messages, you can write it like that, SVP, SVP. Or here, s'il te plaît, most of the people in a casual context will contract it. It's going to become Steuplait, 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 Steuplait. In text messages, you'll write it STP. Now, different ways to say yes, please. Yes, please. Do you want to come to the game? Yes, please. Do you want to come to the concert? Yes, please. Avec plaisir. Literally with pleasure. Avec plaisir. Volontiers. Literally willingly. Volontiers, gladly, willingly. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.